As you can see right now, we are on the step 3 of the reboot and observe the firmware update to 4.0. And the reason I have to do this is because like my Jetson Orin Nano comes in as not the latest version of the firmware, so you have to go through the 2 to 5 steps. So this is why like I have to do the firmware update to 5.0, and then later on I have to run the QSPI updater package to schedule QSPI update. But that will be later on. So yeah. So I think we are on 5.0 now. Let's have a check. So just follow the guidance. You just have to put some comment in the terminal. So you see like the power mode here. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, anyway, over here you can't have the maximum power if you're not on 6.2. So that's why you have to make sure that you follow these steps to make sure that you unlock the power of the max watt, so that you're really using the power of this GPU or this supercomputer. So you just have to do sudo nv put control slot info. Right, so I'm on 35.5, which is correct, but I need to install the QSP updater right now. Yeah. And for that, I think I will need a Wi-Fi. Okay, we are on Wi-Fi now, so now I have to install the QSPI updater Debian package to trigger the entire QSPI update. So I need to okay, firmware on QSPI will be updated on next boot. Yeah, so I think now we just have to reboot, observe the QSPI update. Once the update is done, it will try to reboot, but I think it was stuck on the SD card. So after it updates successfully, I think we need to like force power off the power supply. So let's just reboot for now. Restart. I've changed the QSPI successfully run, and I've changed my SD card into the Jetpack 6.2. So now I think after this step, we will be boosting up as a Jetpack 6.2, and then it should come up with update information of the L4T booster later on, and then we will have to just do another reboot, observe the so after this we will just have to wait to see the bootloader again. Then after that we will be on 3.6.4, so which is what we want. Yeah. Okay, we have to wait. We have to wait the booster post installation notification to be done. Yeah. So I guess we just wait here. Just wait until we see the update information. Here we see the bootloader post notification is needed to reboot, so now we just have to reboot, and after that we should be on Jetpack 6.2. So let's reboot. I think we will be on 6.2 now. Let's have a look. Here, clean and clear. If you see the over here, if you see you are in the power mode, you see the max super, that means you are on 6.2 and you are ready to go.